Good morning students. In today's video, we are going to start a new chapter, the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. Lesson number 12, Standard 7, Subject Science. So in this video, we are going to see the muscular system. In that, we are going to see what is muscle and types or classification of muscles. Now, what is muscle? A muscle is such group of tissues of the body which primarily function as a source of power through contraction and erection. It means the basic function of muscle is to generate power. The human body contains around 650 individual muscles which provide pulling power so that you can move around. Muscle constitute about 40% of our total body weight. Now, classification of muscles. Muscles are classified on the basis of their function, appearance and location. So, the first one is skeletal muscle, second one is smooth muscle and third one is cardiac muscle. The first one is skeletal muscle. It is attached to a skeleton on its upper surface. For example, chest muscle, back muscle, bicep, tricep, legs, hand and abdominal muscle. These are examples of skeletal muscle. It is attached to a bone with the help of tendons. Tendons are type of connective tissue which is attached to our bones. It plays major role in the leverage system. Skeletal muscle are joined to the bones to form lever system, and due to this our body is able to do movements, for example walking, sitting, standing, etc. Skeletal muscles are voluntary in nature. Voluntary means which is in our control. Whenever we want to do any movement, we can do according to our own will. Now, skeletal muscle is controlled by somatic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is part of our peripheral nervous system. Skeletal muscles are called as striated muscle. When we observe skeletal muscle under microscope, tissue seems like light and dark color segments. These light and dark color segments are said as striation. The muscles in which there is striation, that muscles are said as striated muscle, and hence the skeletal muscle is also called as striated muscles. Now, the second type of muscle is smooth muscle. So, smooth muscle is located inside the skeleton. So, basically, smooth muscles are located inside our body. Smooth muscles are not visible on our upper body surface. It means that smooth muscles are not visible from outside, but skeletal muscles are visible from body surface. For example, stomach, intestine, lungs, bladder, liver, etc. etc. All the internal organs are made up of smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are involuntary in nature. Involuntary means which is not in our control. We cannot move these muscles according to our own wish, but it is possible in the case of skeletal muscle. Smooth muscles are non-striated muscles. Like we have seen in skeletal muscle, there were light and dark segments, but here in smooth muscle, there are no light and dark segments. Now let us understand the third and last classification of muscle, that is cardiac muscle. It is found only in our heart. The example of cardiac muscle is heart muscle. It is a unique type of muscle which is present in the heart, and it is totally different from other types of muscles. So it has unique properties. It is neither straighted nor non-straighted, but it falls between these both categories. It is also called as branch straighted muscle. We have already seen straighted muscle and they were regular, but here it is not regular. Here you can compare these images. Here the striation is not regular. It is scattered like branches of trees. Muscles are spreaded in the tissue. Therefore, cardiac muscle are branch straighted muscle. It is involuntary in nature. For example, our normal heartbeat is 72 beats per minute. We cannot increase or decrease the heartbeat according to our own wish, but it can increase or decrease according to the situation. For example, after workout, our heartbeat increases, but again it comes back to the normal, but it is not possible with the skeletal muscle. So students, we have learned the classification of muscles. One more important thing students, we can make the skeletal muscle strong by doing workout, by taking proper training. Walking and cardiac muscle means heart muscle can also become healthy by doing cardiovascular exercise. But we cannot make our smooth muscle strong directly by doing physical exercise. We can make it strong by keeping our skeletal muscle and cardiac muscle healthy. If these both muscles will become strong, so ultimately our smooth muscle will also become strong. So we have seen the types of muscle cells, that is skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle and smooth muscle.